He don't join them, oh. Femi Fani-Kayode. My people just dey like chameleon for this life. Today they be green, tomorrow they be red. That period, he go dey talk about Buhari, see insult them, insult Northerners. Nothing wey this man no do. And that period sef you go dey and you know say when person dey your side, you understand, you sef you go dey happy for that person. So all of us we believe am, we come dey like am that period there. And so he just come outside, say we even the contest say for 2023 he go be president. Many talk, my people. Now Yahaya don gas. Yahaya don gas. This one no be play talk. Oh. As I dey talk to una, this man he don't live in calling. He don't enter another person calling from PDP. He don't enter APC. No be me talk am. Now why I bring this matter now? So make una join me now. Make we listen to Governor Bello as he dey talk am by himself. You understand? So for una we no know wetin dey happen now as he dey hot. Join me. Make we watch the video.
To educate and woo Nigerians into the party, irrespective of their background. Our brother and friend, Chief Femi Fani-Kayode, has joined our party in good faith. For the youth. He is joining our party to come and add his own positive energy and make contribution into ensuring that APC is a party to beat.
Birds of the same feather. Wetin they do? They flock together. No difference between all these ones. Same old liars, all of them. If you follow politician matter, you could just enter gutter, you no go even know. When I dey tell una say these people no care about us, I dey tell una this thing in fact, every day I dey mention this thing for this place. They no care about us as long as say their pocket full. Na the only consignment when they get. Kayode. It's very obvious now. Say this man don't go bankrupt, don't broke. I dey wonder how much they don't offer him. I dey wonder because yesterday when matter reach me say they in get meeting with them. I can't wonder say wetin they call this man for meeting? Wetin concern Kayode inside APC? When I hear this matter, I can't say okay, maybe we wait for the you understand final conclusion. My people, na be this. It shock una. It shock una. You not supposed shock una because now we dey expectant. It be like you know when woman dey pregnant. We dey expect. Now like that I dey live my life now for this country. I dey expectant because every day person dey deliver. This one don't come deliver you now. Waiting, who go be next? Now that one we no know. I mean, my people, time no day. We say another interesting news here, so make we jump onto our next news. Waiting, we no go see for betting in this life. Hey, I want bet Naija, bet Ghana, bet.com. All of you now where they bet. Person don't see and read though. Now, so this guy, they work for Fan Milk. For now, we no Fan Milk. Now, one company for Ghana where they produce all these yogurt, ice cream, all those things. The guy they work for there. Oh. Now, so sales we do for that day 7,000 Ghana cedis. If I know the mistake, that one about if I know the mistake, 700,000 naira. Hey, he carried the money. I don't know which spirit enter this boy. He say they go bet 700,000. He carry him, throw him inside bet. And for him mind, in plan he say if he throw that one, make big money. And I know say that kind of thing he go bring big money. For the boy in mind, he go carry that 700K back, put am for where he remove and then carry the profit for himself, chuka for pocket. My people, betting gone wrong. Now wetin they call this one? They come carry money, you know win. Now so the depot manager come they call and say how far now the sales for the day it no complete. This boy stop the pick call since the day we hear about this matter. He know the pick call. Now so they call and call. na so they bring police enter this matter. Na people, this guy go police station. Hey, na there he can't release all the secrets. He come dey tell them say na true, make dem no vex. Say him plan say if he collect the money, he go put am back, then pocket the balance. All of una wey like dey bet. Hey Chineke, Ghana, Nigeria, all of una youth wey you know say your life, if you no bet, you no go sleep that day. See, I don tire for una matter. This addiction wey don enter una body, wey una don say una no go hear word again for this life. Why una no fit see say this thing na set up? Why una no fit see? Because see, you no fit predict this thing. No be like normal this thing wey you know say okay, if you put this thing, another income dey come, or you know say e get things wey if you do, you know say this one dey sure. Betting, you no fit, and still una no go hear word. Still una no dey hear word, una go continue to dey push. E be like say one thing just enter una body. Una never notice say anywhere, I no dey talk of some places, anywhere una go for this world, especially Africa, every corner they don open bet.com, bet this one, every corner where you go. Because these people know say they make money from una pocket. Now why? And they go continue to dey open again. Open it. For one street, you fit see like 10 bets this thing. Wetin? They don't see say they profit. They don't see say they and una still they come. They know wetin they do. And mumu, una too, una go dey go. I even the one wey even shock me sef. Now wow. You go see one man. Again one day where I go see person for that side. See one man wey carry laptop bag, suitcase, early momo. He go sit down for that place. Now there some people go there from morning to evening. Automatically, see betting company, I be betting what have become their house. They go there from morning, maybe like 8 as they open. They go enter there 5 o'clock. They stay there 7. Some of them na 10 they go house. Why una don't decide to make una life like this? Why? This betting is more than spirit. No be the one when una think say na just una go just carry money they go. Something they push una, but una no know. Na spirit. Now so you go just here say person don't hammer out. If the thing go come give you joy, you go say, since this my friend hammer, me sef, I should say I go hammer. You go. Your own go come dey different. You no go even hammer, you no go even chisel, you no go even nail, nothing. And still you go still enter. You see say you don't lose, you go see, okay, next one I go win. Next one. Now like that, una life don't become. Una still dey inside that same circle, but una no dey realize say una no dey move. You start here, you go, you come back to the same place. You go, you come back. Una eyes don't refuse to open. Now why I come here today? Because me, I go open this on an iPhone. You understand? See, this thing no be normal. And apart from finances, because yes, I know say they talk about money. See, apart from finances, your life, your health, your mental health, see, it dey at stake. No be me talk am, it dey at stake. Abeg, before una go think say I don't come back Bello na, because 3 people wey talk this matter, I don't bring them come on a screen, understand? So before I go continue, make we listen to wetin they got to talk.
Researchers found out that financial problems were one of the most commonly reported negative impacts when it comes to gambling. About 4% of gamblers say that these have been their experiences, and 51% of gambling addicts agree. More than 5% of gambling addicts declared bankruptcy because of this habit. Health and stress problems were also as common as financial problems, reported by nearly 4% of gamblers and 48% of gambling addicts. Researchers took the time to present all of these results today for the state's Gaming Commission.
The gambler in the long run never wins. Yeah, the house always wins. And they've figured that out.
Researchers have also found that 9% of gambling addicts reported neglecting their children or their family, 5% reported domestic violence, and nearly 4% became separated or divorced because of gambling.
I no sabi speak English. Una hear that one, ba? Una no notice say anytime una dey bet, una don finish the bet. See, you no even fit dey okay. Like your body dey do you like say you dey on fire. Stress, you go dey depressed. Any small thing go just dey vex you at that time, especially when you know say your team dey about to lose. You go dey anxious, you go just dey. Una never notice am. How una go notice am when the only thing wey una mind dey think of na money? Na the only thing wey una mind dey go money. Now una go agree with me say una health dey at stake. So abeg, make una stop this thing. Even relationship, your workplace, you no go even fit focus for work. They go give you work to do, you go just dey there buried inside your phone. Omo, notice guys wey dey hold phone, their face always dey inside. If you go check am now, nothing important wey dey do. You go just see some green things. See na some woman even come dey complain o, say Madam Aproko, my husband no get my time again o, say na bet. Normally you wey dey treat your wife sweet. Notice these people, the day wey their ticket cut, that day their wife go hear when for that house. You know dey see this thing dey affect all of una. But una still dey go. Una still stop betting o. Stop betting o. You go see say even decision wey you suppose take, instead of make you think A, you go dey think Z. See, your mind don travel, you don go. See this one now. Now wetin do am? And by now, I dey sure say you don dey think for your mind say, hey, how I wan take pay this money? Una know wetin be 7,000 cedis. Abeg, that 7,000, assuming even carry and give him girlfriend, you understand? We for even start dey say, okay, make we find way. Abeg, all the ladies, if you know say you dey here now, you dey watch me under the sound of my voice, make una better gather here now. In fact, we are in a serious critical, in fact, which English sef I fit add? This one a serious situation o. So make una gather now. It's time for prayer. Egbadura. We are about to cast, we are about to bind, we are about to destroy. In fact, we are about to burn them by fire. Oh yeah, if you are listening to me now, close your eyes. We are starting this prayer. Today na today. Enough is enough with betting. Kabashata. If you can speak in tongues, start speaking in tongues. Fire burn. In fact, start burning that place wherever you are. Hey, Karibo Shaka. Hey, Rebo Shete. Hey. Listen to me. Pause. Now, anything I say, you will reply, die by fire. Are you hearing me? So let's start. Every spirit of betting, every spirit that is taking the money that's supposed to enter our account inside that betting company, die by fire. Every manager of betting company, those people where they open left, right, up, down, die by fire now. Hey, Egbadura. See, hey, Yabashataya. See, it is not a funny thing, no. Because, see, ladies, listen to me. Imagine say all that money where they carry go bet, they invest them on our body. You know how fresh you go they look. So it's important we cast all those things away. You understand? That spirit must die. Every demon, you know very well you are entering our boyfriend. No wonder my boyfriend not even they give me money. Hey, God. Today, they have died. They have died. You demon, you know you are tormenting my man. Hey, ladies, if you know they pray, you go continue to the suffer. Every demon casting and binding. In fact, we are casting you. Stop oppressing our men. Stop oppressing our men in the name of Jesus. Waiting. Every time bet. Now so person go ask boy for money. Baby, I want to do my hair. My ticket have cut. Abego, men, make una better repent. If this prayer no do na so I go continue to pray for una every day. So now, politicians, I know say today una go happy well because I don't come una favor today. If you know say you won't make we vote for you, this one nobody go even argue. You understand? Please ban betting. If you feel ban this betting thing, close everything down. Is it president you want? Just tell me the position as per leader of this group. I go put you there straight. You understand? Because we are tired. We are tired. In fact, I'm even angry with all the betting companies. If you know say you get betting company, you be oga of betting company. Look me very well, I dey vex with you. The company itself, the owners, footballers, I don't even tire. All of una wey dey play football, no make I no even swear for una. Anthony Marshall, you. Now you even dey cut my boyfriend bet every time. If dey cut him game, you go suppose score, you no go score. When you no suppose score, you go score. Take your time, oh, because me, I know they smile with you as they see me like this. What nonsense. My girls, we are ready for this war. And trust me, the one way we do today, when I go soon start the see results, my prayer no, you know, they bounce back. Straight, forward ever, backward never. You understand? My people, na the matter be this, so I won't make una know wetin dey happen now. You understand? And now for una guys, now why I bring this matter? Stop betting. Say no to betting before you end up mad, or before you end up dey do wetin you not supposed to. You understand? My people, I want to know wetin una dey think concerning this matter. Drop am for the comment section. It is very, very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make all those boys hear me. You understand? We need a change. And make sure say you subscribe. Click on that notification bell if you no want to miss interesting videos like this one. Love you guys. See you later.